So after while loop, we'll move to the next loop statement, that is a do while loop statement. In do while loop statement, first the control execute this statement, then it checks for the condition. Okay, the statements are executed repeatedly as long as a given condition is true, right? So here compare the first one. If you see in the while loop, okay, in the flow chart, you see it will check the condition first. I say it will check the condition first, then execute the statement. But in while loop, do while loop, it will execute the statement, then check the condition. This is syntax. First do, then check. First do. That's why do while. First do means execute the statements, then check condition. After checking the condition, if the condition is true, again execute the statement. Then check the condition. True, again go back and execute the body of the loop. Check the condition. True, check the condition, execute the body, and condition false, exit. Right? So this is do while loop. Look at the syntax. Do first statements, then check the condition. And there is a semicolon here. Look carefully. You have to end with semicolon as per the syntax, right? So you have to, okay. So first in do while loop, it will execute this statement and check the condition later. Okay. So let's see a simple program. I mean program with same, it will give the same output, okay, as while loop. Okay. And let's see here. First one, it will check. Let's see the flow here step by step. First do, then it will enter into the body. Second means it will executing the statement and updation. After this one, third, you see fourth one. The fourth one, you see condition. One is false. When it is false, it will exit outside of, okay, right away. If it is true, say if it is true, you see 5a true, it will go again back, become 6, it will execute the body. Means first execute the body, check the condition, condition true, again execute the body. And this is the loop. Okay, so that's one thing. You see in the program here, class do while loop, int I equal to 1. This is initialization. Initialization is initial value. Do first do, mean it will execute the statement print JIC body. Increase the value of I will become 2. Then while condition. Then while condition. Let's show you the same program with using the Eclipse. And here create a class do while loop. Okay. Sorry, I forgot to I created here by mistake. Let me create here under the chapter loop. So here same thing. First initial value. What is this? Is a counter value, step value, right? I first do as per the syntax do. Now statement. What is the statement here? What is the body here? System dot out dot println say JIC. Then updation I plus plus. Okay. Then in condition, here condition is here while I less than or equal to 3. Semicolon here. Semicolon lazim here. Rather for and while loop we do not use this semicolon. For here but use the semicolon. As per the syntax I have written here, right? Do first do means first execute the statement. In the do while loop, first the control execute the statement, then it checks for the condition. The statements are executed repeatedly as long as the condition is right. So this is one thing you can see here. Understand this one. Now execute 3 times, right? 3 times here. So it gives the same result. Now here, mostly in a loop, three things are required. Three things are required. One is initialization, initial value of the counter value. Now this is a body of the loop. Okay, this whole body. It's also common body here. You can say increment, updation here. Condition is a part of the loop or logical operation or logical operation. Logical operation. You have to say when I say logical operation, you make sure that it always return a boolean value. Okay, that's a conditional logical operation. These are the important things for any loop statements. Initialization takes only one time. It will never. These things will repeat. This part will repeating based on the initial value, right? So here, let's see here. First I equal to 1, right? So it will first now enter into the loop while. First print JIC, then it will print JIC here. Look here, JIC. Then I plus plus. I will become 2. I will become 2. Then 2 less than or equal to 3. True. True, right? So it will again come to the here. It will print JIC. Second time. I will become 3. 3 less than or equal to this one. True. Again it will go to the print JIC. Third time. And I will become 4. 4 less than or equal to no. Then it will come here outside. Line number 12. Exit. When I become 4, it will exit. So this is the similarly, it's okay. But there is a difference. There is a difference I will show you here. So hope you understand this one. So let's see the difference between do while and do while loop here. Right here. Difference between do while and while loop. While loop is executed only when the condition is true. Of course, first because it will check the condition first. That's why it will execute only if the condition is true. It will check the condition first. Whereas do while loop is executed for the first irrespective of the condition. After executing the while loop, first time the condition is checked. Means here, you observe here. First it will execute, then check the condition. So even though condition fails, this will execute at least one time of the body. Right here, let's run this one program here. You see 3 times you have. Now to check the difference between while loop here and do while loop here. Okay, let's see if I make this initially I equal to 4, whatever the number I want to make it 4 here in while loop. Same, I will give the value of 4 here, I value, because I want to make the condition fails for both the cases here. I equal to 4. Now check 4 less than or equal to 3, false. 4 less than or false means this will not print anything. Let me print something here to system dot outside the loop here. I can say outside. Fine. Let me see this. Copy this one. I'll check here. Okay, this is outside the loop. Same thing. Now here I made the condition I equal to 4. 4 less than or equal to 3, false. False means it will not execute this body. It will execute only line number C outside the loop. Let's run the program. See, outside the loop. It will not execute the body of the loop because the condition fails at the first place. Now you compare with do while loop here. I put I value 4. Now it will enter into the body. It will print this one JIC. I will become 5 because I is initially 4. Now I become 5. 5 less than or equal to 3, false. Right? So this is will print only one. This is one time and this is exit. So it will print to this. See, JIC one time at least, and this is outside. I mean, it is printing the body here. It is not printing any body here, right? So this is what the difference here. Irrespective in do while loop, irrespective of the condition, at least the do while loop, it will execute this statement body of the loop one time. Execute the body of the loop one time. Is it okay? So this is one thing here. So this is for here. Yeah, for do while here. Sorry. Okay. So this is the difference between while and do while statement. Like I will give one more example here. When you want to withdraw some money from ATM, Saraf, so you enter the card. You enter the card Pataka into the machine. Now machine will run first. It will display some messages, like you say it will open something, right? You choose the language, you can check the deposit, everything. Now you enter the wrong pin. Condition is your pin must be true, 4-digit pin. But the program is running error. But after entering the means you will checking the condition lost, it lost. Is the pin should be a first condition, but it is checking at the last. For such kind of programs is used by do while loop. Means at least some part of the program should run first, then check the condition. For such kind of programs, we'll use do while loop. For while loop, we'll use based on the first condition is true. When the condition is true, execute the body. So this is the difference between while and do while loop. Hope you understand this one, right? So take your 5 minutes break. I mean, program break this one. Complete these two and see the differences also. Okay.